Have you ever seen videos of tiny animals as small as a fingertip like this one? This viral trend is dominating TikTok and YouTube. You can start turning your ideas into viral videos. In this video, I will walk you through step-by-step process of how to make these animal videos from scratch, whether you want to grow your social media, go viral, or start earning online. This guide has everything you need. Before we dive in, please make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's get started. Start by opening your web browser and searching for ChatGPT. Once you find it, copy the prompt I've included in the video description and paste it into the text box on the ChatGPT page. After that, ask ChatGPT to generate 10 additional prompts featuring different cute baby animals, and then click Create. In just a few moments, ChatGPT will provide you with 10 brand new prompts showcasing a variety of adorable animals. It's really that easy. And if you're looking for even more prompts like this, feel free to leave a comment below with our prompts ready. It's time to create high-quality images. We will use AI for this. It's fantastic for creating stunning, hyper-realistic images and videos. First, click the link in the video description. This link will take you straight to Design.ai. Once logged in, you'll find a range of AI tools specifically designed for content creators. For now, we'll use the text-image option. Click on Text to Image, and you'll see why AI is special. First, select the style. Seeing AI offers a variety of styles, including realistic illustration, portrait, 3D anime, and many more options. To get the best result, I'm going with the Flux 1 style for now, but feel free to pick any style that suits your vision. Next, paste the first prompt we created using ChatGPT into the design.ai text box and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts and hit Generate. Then, I will start generating your images, and within seconds, you'll see your stunning results appear on the right side of the screen. Take a close look at the image quality. It's impressive, the colors are vibrant, and the details are sharp, making each picture look almost lifelike. Zen AI's advanced technology really brings out the best in every image. Now you can drag or double-click any image to bring it onto a canvas, where you can quickly make edits. You can remove the background. Use the AI eraser for fine details or crop the image to fit your needs. In the next step, we'll animate these images. Now that we have our images ready, it's time to turn them into videos, using Design AI's Image to Video tool. So go back to the dashboard and click on Image to Video. This is where the magic begins. Now type a short description of the action you want to see in the text box. For example, you might type something like baby animal smiling and falling asleep. This helps the tool understand what kind of movement or expression you want. Next, upload your image by clicking on Pick an Image. Here, you also have the option to add an end frame if you'd like to make your video look more complete. But for now, I'll just stick to a single image to keep things simple. Once everything's set, go ahead and click Generate in just a few minutes. Then I will turn your image into a high-quality animated video. When you see the results, you'll be blown away by how natural and lifelike the animations look. The movements feel smooth, and it's almost like watching a real-life scene unfold. Zenny makes the process super easy, turning your images into fully animated videos with just a few clicks. Just repeat this process for each of your images, and soon you'll have a collection of videos ready to share. If you watched till now, hit like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Also comment what tutorial you want next. I will see you in the next one.